Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Steno. Today I am going to dictate you a wonderful dictation. So get ready students. Start. Through an order passed in the case Ganpat Dharma Mangal and others versus Tehsildar Office, Murbad and others, on October 29, 2021, Justices Prasanna B. Varale and Madhav J. Jamdar, at the Bombay High Court, have made it quite clear that the policy under the National Food Security Act refers to the Aadhaar card as one of the modes for identifying the person, and further, the notification of February 8, 2017 makes the position very clear, in this regard in clause 5. Stop para. The High Court has also mentioned that the same notification of February 8, 2017, was issued in pursuance of the provisions of the Aadhaar within bracket targeted delivery of financial and other subsidies, benefits and services bracket close Act, 2016. Stop. Though, the court has noted that the grievance in this case was raised by the three petitioners before the High Court, it can be safely said that the persons enlisted in the list at page number 151 to 158 within bracket duly signed by Tehsildar, Murbad bracket close, and the persons enlisted in the list at page number 173 to 187 are similarly circumstanced with the petitioners. Stop para. As the court was unable to find any logic, reason or rationale for denying the benefits of distribution of food grains to the petitioners and allied persons, raising certain technical grounds by the respondent authorities, by way of interim direction, the court directed the respondents to distribute the food grains to the petitioners, and similarly circumstance persons, the tribal beneficiaries of Murbad Taluka, under the public distribution scheme, as well as the provisions of the National Food Security Act and the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. Stop para. The High Court has stated that the respondents are at liberty to verify the ration cards of the petitioners and the similarly circumstanced tribal persons. Stop. The court had also directed the authorities before it, to distribute the food grains to the tribal persons before November 4, the Diwali day, and the collector, Thane, was instructed to implement and supervise the distribution and to assure that the order of the High Court is duly complied with within the stipulated period. Stop para. Commenting on the disheartening situation for we the fortunate, the HC, in the opening paragraph of its order, stated that when we were eagerly awaiting for approaching festive season, here are the few petitioners, who are the members of the marginalized section in general and tribal in particular, have approached the court with a grievance that they have been deprived of the basic requirement of human life, food, only on account that the state machinery is not technically equipped to give them the benefits flowing from the scheme formulated and floated by the Union of India and to be implemented and executed by the respective states. Stop para. The reason for deprival of distribution of food grain to these petitioners is that their Aadhaar card is not linked with the system, and secondly, in view of the government circular of October 13, 2016, for receiving the benefits of public distribution system, it is a prerequisite that Aadhaar card of each member of the family who is enlisted in the card must have been linked in the RCMS system oblique portal. Stop para. The petitioners are the residents of the tribal area of Murbad Tehsil in Thane district. Stop. The Union of India has formulated the scheme, namely, the National Food Security Act, 2013 with a laudable object as it is stated in the act to provide for food and nutritional security in human life cycle approach, by ensuring access to adequate quantity of quality food at affordable prices to people to live a life with dignity and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Stop. Section 3 of the said Act, deals with the provisions for food security. Stop. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.